Hey YouTube, got another video review for you today. This one is from a company by the name of Securo. What I'm going to be reviewing is the Guard Pro 2. This is their security kit. It comes with one camera and your power adapters to hook everything up. One for the camera, and then you've got this one for the monitor. And then it comes with your Ethernet cable to hook it to a router, and it comes with your anchors and your little Allen key to mount the camera, and plus right here it's got like a little adjuster so you can rotate the camera whichever way that you like. This kit here costs $219. Everything that you see right here on the table is $219. The camera, you can add on more cameras for a total of 4 cameras, but the cameras are $70 extra per camera, and so but it does come with one for the $219.
All right, guys. We're gonna talk about setting up the camera, but I guess first we'll talk about the camera itself. Really high quality aluminum casing. It's got infrared LEDs, 20 LEDs per camera, so that's going to provide you with infrared night vision. So that's pretty high quality. But we'll get into setting it up. So we're first things first. You have to have a 1/2-inch drill bit, because you have to drill a hole big enough to feed your camera cable through. And once you use your camera cable and you feed it through your soffit or up into your ceiling or whatnot, and it's got to run to the power adapter. It's got a good snug fit, so it's just run it through there. I think we talked about we probably have about 15 feet of cable with the power adapter, or the power cord, and the camera cable connected. Mounting the camera, it's gonna be pretty simple. So it has a 3-way adjuster, so has a swivel. So when you mount it, you put your 3 screws in, and you have your swiveling adapter right here. So once you have your camera mounted, you can adjust it this way. We have a mount adjustment right here where you can adjust the height of your camera. Well, I guess that would actually adjust
your angle.
The angle of the camera. And it also comes with the Allen wrench to adjust if you want to swivel your camera in a certain direction.
If you're mounting it on an uneven surface and you wanted to get the picture straight up and down, so it just offers all the different adjustments.
So you get your antenna as well to screw in. So you're gonna screw that in when you mount it, and it's pretty much all there is. It's just about drilling a half-inch hole. You got to drill it to feed up the camera cable through, to hook it up to the power adapter, and then it's got plenty of adjustments. So once you have it set, you can adjust it however you want to. So it seems pretty easy.
All right, guys, we're not going to touch on a whole lot of things today. We're going to go ahead and get this camera system mounted up, and once we get everything mounted, then we can go through all the different features and what all this camera system has to offer. Now, I will say that I've already cheated. I've had this thing out for about a week. I've just had one of the cameras sitting around throughout the house, just playing around with it to see how good it picks up at nighttime, just walking through the house and all that, and I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it does a great job for the price, and so I don't think you'll be able to find a better camera in this price range that has all these features. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and make sure you watch part 2, because you will see all the cameras mounted and everything. So talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Please subscribe.